What's up everyone, it is Cameraman here, and today I have another video. So today we are going to be seeing what it's like, well, the interiors of a removable backed phone. So here I have the Samsung Galaxy S4. Yeah, it's a pretty old phone, but this is like the best phone I could find. It's just an old phone lying around. It's broken, so yeah, I just wanted to see because I was curious what's inside these phones. Like, so as you can see, it's fully broken. But yeah, what's the difference between like a removable backed phone and normal? So I've seen a lot of videos on teardowns of, you know, like the what are they called, like the removable backed phones, you know, like iPhones, Androids. So yeah, I'm just curious to see what it's like in a like actually removable backed phone. Okay, let's just open this thing up. So as you can see here, as they've opened up the phone, we're going to take out the battery just to be extra safe. So this is the battery, just a regular lithium-ion battery, not that interesting. Okay, let's put this thing aside. Okay, you know what, I'll just put it where you guys can see it. Yeah, and then this is what the back looks like. Now, what's actually going into the phone? Open out this thing, get out the screwdriver. Let's just see. I don't think I have every screw for this, but I'm gonna look for the smallest one I can find in here. Yeah, I think I found one. Okay. So, now let's see if we can open up this thing. Will we be able to? Oh no, this is a very tight squeeze. Oh yes, you can actually open it. Let's go. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see here, but it is slowly unscrewing. I could probably do this with my hand. By the way, sorry for the background noise, like everyone's at home. Okay. Oh god. Let's keep on going. It's very hard to get the screwdriver in it correctly. Okay, we got it back again. Keep going, keep going. Okay, there's a lot of screws, you know what? Wait, I'll just show you guys a time lapse of me doing. Alright, so I managed to take out as many screws as I can. However, I wasn't able to get these two at the bottom. They were just a bit too, like, I don't know, I didn't have the right screwdriver for that. But anyway, I managed to get out as many as I could. But yeah, I might as well just tell you guys now about some of the stuff here. As you guys can see here, there's a micro SD slot, which can also be used as a SIM card slot. Over here. Oh, I think it already came with one. Maybe that was the micro SD card. Oh, I'll keep it here just for now. This is the SIM card slot. So you gotta insert the card in here. Okay, wait, let me just show you the screwdriver a bit and see if I can sort of use it as a chisel. Not bothered to go get out an actual chisel. So I'm gonna try and quickly break apart this entire slot. Oh, so many sharp bits and pieces, oh god. This is just as half of what it looks like. Oh wait, I think this is like, is that a spring? Okay, I do not know what this is. I think the rest is all just connectors. Is there any way to open up any of the other parts? Oh yeah, well, this is like the speaker area. There's gotta be a way to do this that's a lot easier. Oh crap. So it's not that easy to work out every part of the body. Yeah, I even tried to somehow take out the cover on the driver. Yeah, well, however, that did not go well. So yeah, instead I'm gonna do a quick durability test. No, I'll keep the battery in here just in case. So, first, we're just going to do some basic scratch tests, just to make sure I've got no screen protector on here. No. Oh, this is not sounding good. Oh, it's just cracking the already cracked glass. Yeah, so now, see this cracked glass right here? Whenever I go to scratch it, it's just forming deeper grooves in here. Okay, wait, you know what? Just for some safety, I'm gonna remove the battery because next we're gonna do a bend test. So just see how durable this phone really is, and to see how durable removing the back phones up. Okay, just to I think we just got another scotch. Okay, but did that crack just come out of here? Okay, I do not know. Wow, this is actually so durable. Holy moly. Oh my god, I'm actually using like so much strength right now. Oh my god, this phone is so durable. Wow. Wow. Alright. That was unexpected, guys. Okay, so let's do a quick scratch test on the camera with this screwdriver. Clean it off. Looks good, just a few minor scratches. I don't know if you guys can see them, but most of those are just my finger marks, but yeah, there are some minor scratches. What about the flash? Ow, ow, oh, I do not like that sound. Okay, the flash is plastic and got scratched very badly. Alright then, now let's go to the most exciting part, the drop test. Some more. Not that good. Everything else is hanging in there pretty well. I don't get how the camera is protected so well. It looks exposed, but it's not even getting cracked. Let's do a second round. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that did not sound nice. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at this. You got like full shattering. Ooh. Ouch to the phone. Okay, round 3 is coming up in 3, 2, 1. Ooh, we're actually separated. Oh guys, look at the pieces. Oh god, the phone's pieces are gone. Ouch. So the back looks fine. Now for the front. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, look at that. No. Oh god. No actual way did this happen. As you guys can see here, oh, that's like 2 layers of glass. Because that actually looks like it. So I'll just zoom in a bit more. A lot more. Can you guys see that? I'll bring the frame closer too. Like, look. So there's like glass, and then right on top of that is some more glass. Oh, it feels so bad too. So yeah, oh god. done. You know what? Now we're gonna test. Now we're gonna do a vent test on just the plastic. Here, wait, let me just put the phone face up into the sky. And 3, 2, 1. Wow, this feels like rubber. Can you guys hear that sound? Oh no. There we go. The plastic is officially broken. Oh my god, pretty durable. Wait, can you still put it on the phone? Probably can, but... Oh yes. Alrighty guys. Lol. Look at the phone's condition. Alright guys, so we are back at the workshop. And this is one sad phone. You can even see like the grooves coming out, and then we're going to take this cover off, set it aside. Wow, this phone is done. Okay, wait, you know what? I'm gonna try jabbing this bit even more. Oh god. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, I think that's been the review. Wow. Okay, now, that's all 3 parts. So here, it's the back cover. This is the back, and the phone. Okay guys, so I think that's the video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.